What's up, everyone? I am going to be talking about the subtraction of fractions right now, and we are going to use the fraction strip method. And if you remember what the word for subtraction could also be translated as, it is the difference. So finding the difference between two numbers, for example, 10 minus 5 is, what is the difference between 10 and 5? And of course, the answer is 5. Well, here is a first question, and what we can do is model this together. And what is the difference between 5/6 and 1/2? What we're going to do is, you'll need two rulers, just like this. They've got to be straight edge. And we're going to find 5/6 first. So here are 6 right here, and we need 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to cover up where the 5/6 are. And that's good. We are now going to find 1/2, and that is up here. Because remember, we're all dealing with the 1 whole, so we can take a look at 1/2, and we're going to cover it up to the edge, and we're going to find out what the difference is. So now that we've covered, on camera it looks good, we have to find the equal parts. And we can see that 2/6 is the difference between the two of them. And if it's not 2/6, we have that straight line right here. If I move my ruler just a little bit like that, we also have 4/12. So the difference between 5/6 and 1/2 is either 2/6, or you can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/12. Can you try an example now? How about you press pause right now and try this right here. 2/3 take away 2/4. So press pause now and try and find out the answer. Okay, were you able to get this? Let's get 2/3 first. Here's your thirds. Let's get and cross down 2/3 right there. And now we want 2/4. Fourths are right here. So let's find the difference between 2/3 and 2/4. And our answer is, look at that. These aren't even, up until we get to the 1/6 and also the 2/12. The difference between 2/3 and 2/4 is 1/6 as your answer, or you can also write down 2/12. And for those of you who know, 2/12 can be reduced to 1/6 as the lowest fraction. All right, if you have any questions about this method, which is the fraction strip method for subtraction, please go back to the beginning of this video to just find it out. All you need is your fraction strips, two rulers, and just some being able to read. I was going to say readability, but I don't even think that's a word. Anyways, that's it for me. Hopefully that helped you and gave you another strategy to subtract fractions. And if you have questions, ask me in class. Until then, happy mathing.